the best.
Oh my
Yes!
gosh, Mama, you learned the 3Ds? Yeah, I learned that in elementary school too.
So,
Snack break's over. We
yes.
have this box.
Yes.
Maya has not seen what's in the box. Her mom dropped it off. And we're gonna surprise her with what we're gonna do today. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, should we do a drum roll? Let's open the box. Okay, what do we have first? We have, look at this. These iconic aprons. Singing and Slime with Mya and Aliya.
You see something?
Woo!
You see something?
Okay.
Yeah.
Look at what else we have. Your Jojo Siwa jacket. Wait, do you want to put it on?
Yes.
Okay.
And then I'm gonna like my judges.
Did you notice how I was wearing a headband?
Yeah.
And we're trying to make you look like me?
Uh-huh.
You're missing a headband! Wow. Wow.
I look like Jojo Siwa.
You look amazing. Should we read the book?
No.
No.
Look it.
Next. And now the big reveal.
You want
Oh my gosh! How amazing. Oh, yeah, So,
So,
we're about to dig into this slime
yes.
right now. Moving this box,
Yeah.
and here we go.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
1, 2.
Oh, no. To be more strategic when we open the box.
The dogs are barking.
Ignore the dogs.
We're gonna ignore.
All right, guys, here we go. Okay.
Okay. For unboxing.
Nope. I'm gonna open it on the sides.
You can collect any single one.
She really loves Jojo Siwa.
Okay.
Okay. Ready?
Sure.